Sadanand Magalu Seth Danwade ji.
Thank you, Chairman sir. My subject is urgent measures to restore the financial and credit standing of mining affected families in Goa. I rise to draw the attention of this august house to the continuing hardship faced by thousands of mining affected families in Goa whose creditworthiness remains adversely affected despite having settled their bank loans. Following the suspension of mining operation in Goa in 2012, the state level witnessed the unprecedented economic crisis.
You are shouting for
Nearly 25,000 people
What is the use of it?
directly dependent on mining, along with thousands engaged in transportation and allied activities, lost their livelihoods. Many had taken bank loans to purchase trucks, tippers, barges, mining machinery and other equipment. With mining coming to a standstill, they lost their only source of income and were unable to repay their loans. Their defaults were not willful, but were the direct result of circumstances beyond their control. Recognizing the severity of the crisis, the government of Goa introduced several relief measures, including financial assistance and a government-supported one-time settlement scheme. As a result, many affected borrowers were able to settle their loan accounts. Although many loan accounts have since been settled, the delay in repayment during the mining closure continues to adversely affect the borrowers' credit history and credit scores. Consequently, they are unable to obtain fresh institutional finance to purchase vehicles, machinery, or start new businesses, making it difficult for them to rebuild their livelihoods. Chairman sir, these borrowers cannot be equated with willful or habitual defaulters. Their financial distress arose solely because of the sudden closure of mining operation, a situation that was itself recognized by the Goa government while extending the relief and implementing the OTA scheme. I therefore urge the government to introduce a one-time mechanism to restore the financial creditworthiness and credit standing mining affected borrowers whose loan defaults arose solely due to the 2012 mining ban in Goa and who have since repaid or settled their loan accounts. Such a measures will provide long-awaited justice to thousands of mining affected families, restore their access to institutional credit and help them rebuild their livelihoods with dignity. Thank you, sir.